Hello, this week in this video I am going to work on accessing these submitted values in our controller method. If I submit the form with values test at Gmail for email validations and age, nothing is happening, and I want to read these values, submitted values, and I want to read these values in CodeIgniter. I am going to access these values in CodeIgniter with the input class, and also I am going to add PHP form validations in case any input field is not submitted or submitted as an empty value. I am going to display a required error message, same like HTML5 and PHP validations. I am going to add CodeIgniter's validations using CodeIgniter's form validation library. In this video, I am going to work on accessing these submitted values through form. You can access the submitted values with input class, this input post, and here we should pass a field name, and the field names are f name for first name and l name for last name. F name echo, let's just echo for now for seeing these values. Test, here you can see the submitted value as first name. If I submit it in last name input field, I am not seeing this value. So this first name value is being passed to our index method in form controller, and for accessing other values we should repeat the same process. For L name, let's submit the first name and last name. First name, you can see first name and last name. You can see first name and last name. If I submit only last name, I should see last name value. These two values are being accessed from CodeIgniter controller method. I want to access these values also, email, gender, and age. It's the same for all of this. For any input field, it's the same. This input post and email. Let's just check it. If I submit a text, here you can see this HTML5 validation. I am going to add a CodeIgniter's validation for checking this email or not. Test at gmail.com. Here you can see the email, first name. I am adding a first name. I am submitting a first name, last name, email. Submit. We should see three values: first name, last name, and email. Next, I want to access this gender and select radio list. I am going to add it. This input post, gender. Let's just test it. Male value is being passed, and female value is being passed. Okay, I have added this gender also, and age. If I am not selecting anything, let's see, submitting, nothing is being passed. If I select any other value, here you can see this value is passed, 20, 21, any other number, 23. Okay, and next, one more thing I want to do is I'm accessing these values with the input class, and next I want to do one more thing. Instead of passing these manual values, I want to pass an array to our form view so that we can loop through these values and display these values here. For that, I am creating a data array, data, ages, array, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. You can add any numbers in this array, and before accessing this ages array, I should pass it to form view this data. Let's just access it here and add these values to our option tag. I'm opening a PHP block for each ages as age. Okay, I am closing this for each loop here and we'll add this numbers. We'll echo these numbers, this option tag, echo age semicolon. I'm copying this PHP block, pasting in value attribute of this option tag, and we'll remove these option tags, static option tags. Now we should see the values from this controller method ages array. All these values. Okay. Now I have done with setting up our project and I'm able to access these values with the input class. Next I am going to add form validations with the CodeIgniter's form validation library. If you want to learn more about CodeIgniter basics, check out my CodeIgniter basics course. I'll provide the link in description. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please post it in comment section.